Hello everyone, it's Jeremy with JMed's Brick Clicks. Today we're looking at my double VIP haul from October, along with the set right here. They got backlogged. Finally got it in. I'm glad I got it because it'll probably be sold out, probably between now and well after Christmas. So this is, I guess, Santa's sleigh. It's got 4 of the reindeer. And oddly enough, I bought 8 reindeer off Bricks and Pieces earlier in the year. I think they were right at $5 a piece. I still have them. I did a video on that in a previous haul. I've only done a couple haul videos. But that was one of my hauls, getting those 8 plus the other 1 that came with the Elf Clubhouse. So those 9 plus these 4. So I've got a full forest I can make of reindeer if I want to now. So let's get into this box. Let's get the scissors. And that's horrible. Put this side. Now let's see what we got. First up, you guys see it. Creator set, Space Shuttle Adventure. I love it. This is probably going to be like, I think, for me as a kid, this is a $40 set. This is like the best set you could buy for Christmas because you can get these other 2 builds. You can take this apart and build those. You get 3 builds that are all fairly good builds. So someone that wants, that's big into space shuttles or rockets or just the moon landing or any kind of astronomy or NASA, that's the set to get them right there if you're looking for a Christmas present for somebody. $40, it's a great set. I might consider buying another one if they go on sale. Months from now, who knows? We'll set that one off to the side. Let's see what else we got in here. Speed Champs. Got the Ford Bronco R and the Ford GT. I bought this for the Ford GT. I don't really honestly care about the Bronco. It'll end up sitting on a shelf. The Ford GT, I've got a perfect place for it. You guys will get a video of that pretty soon, probably within the next few weeks. It's not just going to sit on a shelf. It's going to be incorporated into my Lego City. So stay tuned for that. I love the colors on this. I love the color scheme. The curves are amazing. Here we go. There's our real design. Not too bad. Yeah, I think that's very well done. The Bronco, that's what we're basing it on. So that's pretty good too. I think it's way too large for my Lego City. Even though that is an 8 wide build, I know that's too large too, but I've got a perfect spot for that. That'll go on my shelf along with some other just random builds and stuff that'll fit. So yeah, Speed Champs. I was waiting until double VIP since this is not probably going to go on sale anytime soon. So the double VIP helped. Oh, what do we got? Let's look at this one. Seinfeld. 1,326 pieces. So we've got all the Seinfeld characters there. You get all 5 minifigs. So the 4 main characters and Newman. Look at the back of it. So yeah, you get Jerry over here with the stand-up. I think you guys can already tell where I'm going with this, because you saw this, and you saw the big one in here, and friends, the apartments. Let's see if I can get that all in one shot. Yep. We get 2, 4, 6, 7 characters. The main 6 plus Janice. And there's our set. Love all the little Easter eggs. Love all the builds. Didn't really know what to do with this to start with when I saw it, and the price, but now that somebody has created that sig fig tower for what I call, honestly, with this one in Seinfeld, I'm going to call it the NBC apartments. There's a mock out there on rebrickable.com that you can put those two together along with the other Friends set, Central Perk. You get 2 of those plus those and some other parts, and you can build a huge apartment complex. That, not the best set, but it's one for my wife. Hopefully she doesn't watch this video because she wanted this, and it's been sold out at the Lego store in St. Louis multiple times. So hopefully she doesn't watch this video and see this part of the movie. So, or the video movie. My whole 10-minute movie or whatever this is going to be. She wants this set to pair with her Central Perk for Phoebe's cab. I know. It is what it is, guys. But that one's for her. Here's my free gift with purchase, which is a Friends poly bag. Different kind of Friends. And it's a flower cart. And oddly enough, I went and bought this set from Target because it was a poly bag and a flower cart, and I figured I could just incorporate this into my collection and put it into my Lego City. Last couple things, got some ideas for these keychains. Thanos. I'm not a Star Wars collector by any means, but I figured I'd get a Yoda one. And the last one, Captain Marvel. I did buy the Batman one, and believe it or not, it says backlogged or back-ordered until the middle of January. It's like January 25th expected shipping date. It's like that's 3 months away. More than 3 months. So I don't know what the deal is with Batman. But anyway, that's what I've got, guys. Make sure I'm not missing anything else. I think it's all in. Yep. Let me know what you guys think. You guys seen this apartment complex that I believe it's Lego Artisan is the designer that has made this. Oh, there's also Bro Thor's apartment. That's on the roof of this set. So you gotta buy, you can buy a couple sets, you can multitask. You can do this different ways where you can add other sets. But right now I'm gonna call it the NBC apartment complex since it's got Friends and Seinfeld. And then Bro Thor. Thor's just sitting at the top, so he just moved in even though he's not an NBC related comedy or character. But that's what I got, guys. Let me know what you guys got in Double VIP. If you got anything, who knows? Maybe you guys got a lot more stuff than I did. Yeah, I waited, and honestly, I was a little nervous because of all the stuff going on, saying they're not going to have sets available around Christmas, or they might be sold out. Like last year, Walmart, Target, I mean, the Lego aisles were bare. So you were really left to Lego.com, which was bare, and Amazon, which was about the only place you could buy new stuff. Or Bricklink, if you just go directly there and buy it new used, as in new retail and prices marked up maybe, but still available. Anyway, just a quick video. Looks like it's going to be just under 10 minutes. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe. We'll get some of these sets built. If you guys are interested in seeing any of those built, stay with my channel. I'll get them built at some point. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.